India vs Australia live cricket score second ODI match updates, leading 1-0 in the ongoing three-match series. India were bowled out for 117 in the first innings, setting a target of 118 runs versus Australia in the second ODI at the Y.S. Raja Reddy Cricket Stadium in Visakhapatnam on Sunday. Axar Patel remained unbeaten for India at 29 runs off 29 bowls. Meanwhile, Mitchell Starc struck early in the opening over to remove Shubman Gill for a two-ball duck. The pacer then struck twice in the fifth over to remove Rohit Sharma and Suryakumar Yadav. Starc also removed KL Rahul in the ninth over. Sean Abbott moved Hardik Pandya. Meanwhile, Nathan Ellis removed Virat Kohli in the 16th over, followed by the wicket of Ravindra Jadeja in the 20th over. Abbott then once again struck twice to remove Mohammad Shami and Kuldeep Yadav in the same over, 25th. Then Starc ended the Indian innings in the 26th over to remove Axar for his fifer. Please like and subscribe for more updates.